Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck. In this video, I will talk about Google Play Points special earn rates. Some really good special earn rates are now available in Google Play Points, and now I will talk about those. Okay, here you can see I am in Play Store, and if I go here you can see just Black Friday shipping, and here you can see all the offers regarding Google Play Points special earn rates. Here you can see 4x Play Points on all purchases ends 30th November. Get 50%. Here you can see 5x Play Points events. So some really good special hundreds offer is now going on in Google Play Points page. Here you can see if I go to Play Points, and here you can see and it is loading, and here you can see earn 4 points per $1, and there are so many popular games are available so that you can earn Play Points. And if you spend $1 in these games, Candy Crush Saga, Pokemon Go, and here you can see PUBG Mobile, Clash of Clans, you will get 4 Play Points. Okay, and this offer is ending 30th November, and here you can see 5 Play Points for these games. Here you can see Candy Crush Saga, Guns of Glory, Pokemon Go, PUBG Mobile, and here you can see 7 Deadly Sin. And if you spend $1 in these games, you will get 5 Play Points. So this is the really good special random offers which is now going in Google Play Points. Here you can see, and now if you are interested in if you play these games, okay, you can buy so that you can earn Play Points in return. Okay, so if you spend $1, you will get 4 points in these games, and in these games you will get 5 points if you spend $1. Okay, and if you are playing these games, you can buy and so that you can earn Play Points in return. Okay,